안녕하세요. Welcome to this third video of learning essential Korean adjectives for beginners. In this video, specifically, we'll talk about some adjectives that describes emotions. 기쁘다, happy. But in a more conversational language, you can say 기뻐 instead. I've just got accepted to my new job. 나 너무 기뻐. 슬프다 or 슬퍼, sad. I didn't do well on my test today. 나 슬퍼. 화난다 or 화나, angry. What do you mean my flight was canceled? 나 너무 화나. 무섭다, 무서워, scared. Spider, 무서워. 피곤하다, 피곤해, tired. I studied all night last night. 나 너무 피곤해. 설레다, 설레, excited. You can think of this more as like getting the butterflies. For example, I'm going on a date tonight. 나 너무 설레. 긴장되다, 긴장돼, nervous. I'm waiting for an interview. 나 너무 긴장돼. 짜증나다, 짜증나, annoyed. My little brother ate all my chocolate. 짜증나. 부럽다, 부러워, jealous. My friend just got married. 부러워. 실망하다, 실망이야, disappointed. How could you do this to me? 너무 실망이야. 부끄럽다, 부끄러워, shy. Do I have to sing in front of all these people? 나 너무 부끄러워.